Hola, hola, hola. Okay, hola might be the easiest way to greet someone in Spanish, but honestly, it's kind of boring, which is why we're ditching the generic hola in this video and exploring 10 alternatives to greet someone instead. But before we get started, why not sign up for BaseLang? We provide unlimited Spanish tutoring at one fixed cost, and right now, you can sign up for just $1 via the link in the description. All right, let's start with number 1. Buenos días, tardes, or noches. Buenos días is one of the most common Spanish greetings, directly translating to good morning. It's a staple, and it sets a positive tone for the start of the day. If you want to greet someone in the afternoon, though, you can say buenas tardes, and at night, buenas noches. At number 2, we have buenas. So if you find it a little bit tedious to add días, tardes, or noches to your buenos, you can replace it with buenas. Let's move on to number 3, ¿qué onda? You might have heard of ¿qué onda? Among younger people, especially around Latin America. It's an informal greeting that directly translates to what's up? It's casual and laid back, perfect for relaxed social situations. At number 4, we have ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal is another way of saying what's up. Number 5, we have ¿qué hubo? And if you think that ¿qué tal is just a little too basic for you, you can try saying ¿qué hubo? It means how's it going? It's a popular Colombian greeting among the younger generation, and it's often shortened to ¿qué hubo? And at number 6, we have pura vida. If you've been to Costa Rica, you've probably heard of pura vida. It's like their trademark phrase, meaning pure life. But it's more than just a greeting. It's their whole philosophy. Perhaps don't use this outside of Costa Rica though, because other Spanish speakers may not understand it. But if you're interested in learning more regional greetings like this one, you can visit BaseLang since we have a wide range of regional words to teach you. Moving on to number 7, we have ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa is a greeting to show that you were curious about something. It directly translates to what's happening. It's also a good greeting to use when catching up with a friend. At number 8, we have ¿cuánto tiempo? You can use this greeting if you meet someone you haven't seen for a long time and that we are glad to meet him or her again. And at number 9, we have ¿cómo va todo? You can use ¿cómo va todo? To ask how they're doing. All right, last but definitely not least, we have mucho gusto. This phrase translates to nice to meet you and is used to express pleasure or satisfaction upon meeting someone for the first time. And there you have it. Now you know 10 different ways to say hello in Spanish, and each of them has its own special meaning and purpose. And if you want to practice all these greetings in a real-life conversation, why not schedule your first BaseLang class today? At baselang.com, you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native speaking teachers, all via Zoom. Try your first week for only $1. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Gracias por ver este video y nos vemos pronto.